Hello fan collectors, today I present you with a 52-inch Hugger type ceiling fan by Air-Cool, and I don't know the exact date it was made because when I got it, it did not have the mounting bracket as Air-Cool puts the month of the year on them, they printed on it, but this one, when I got it at Habitat, only had the motor shell and the motor itself. Not even a switch cap housing, but thankfully all the parts that are needed, I had the exact parts to make it look like an Air-Cool, like a stock Air-Cool, which it is. And I'll show you something about the blades. I mean, first of all, they have the cane finish. However, the other side is stencil. I don't know how well you can see that, but I'll try this side. Very obscure combo indeed. And I really love this style. The Hugger cane blades and the schoolhouse lights, very 80s looking. And it's the more casual type, you know. A lot of them had those 5-light kits, which I like, on them. And we'll shed a little light on the situation. Lights right up. I wonder if you can see the stencil on it now. But I prefer the cane. And now it's time to rev the fan up. Start out on low. Doesn't move too much air on low. And try it on medium. And high. It's cranking out a lot of air, considering the fact it's Hugger.